Hello everyone and welcome to another fresh episode of your favorite show about technology and the name is Tech with TG। दोस्तों ये एक ऐसा शो है जहाँ पे मैं हर एपिसोड में आपसे बात करता हूँ about something new, something cutting edge, something ahead of its time, जहाँ पे टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे हम इवॉल्व होते हुए देख रहे हैं। Well, speaking of time, it's all about this piece, this tiny computer that we all are wearing around our wrists. And in today's episode, I'm gonna dive deep in the field of smart watches, and हम explore करेंगे कि how pro athletes are using the potential of a smartwatch to understand their bodies and to kind of थोड़ा सा unleash the power because watch में data पूरा दिख जाता है। Guys, this episode is going to be super fun because I'm going to talk with Mithali Raj and Veda Krishnamurthy to understand that how they are using the smartwatch in their everyday professional training routine. Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Chaudhary aka Technical Guruji. You're watching Tech with TG, तो जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। There are two things in India जिसको लोग बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं। सबसे पहली चीज़ क्रिकेट और दूसरी चीज़ क्रिकेट की बातें। जी हाँ, the stories of cricket. And in today's episode, I've got two amazing personalities with me. I've got the one and only Mithali ma'am, and I mean no introduction needed. आपको पता है all the achievements, all the records, whatever ma'am carries along, the shoulders. Along with Mithali ma'am, हमारे पास में है Veda ma'am, and I mean I'm gonna discuss कुछ secrets about cricketer, maybe how to be a cricketer, how's the life as a cricketer, as an athlete, as a person. काफी मजा आएगा।
शुरुआत तो इससे करेंगे कि पहले आप हमको मैम एड्रेस करना मत कीजिए, इतनी भी हम लोग like we are not that
No, I mean
old, but I think it's good to be addressed with our names.
It is the respect that comes along.
Of course.
Yeah, it's
I think
not just about the age and all. It's the respect that comes along. But guys, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Along with Mithali Raj and Veda Krishnamurthy, बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आने वाला है. Now it's better.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think one thing जो is definitely a common amongst all athletes and definitely two of you is that while you are pursuing this journey, जब आप start कर रहे हैं, maybe your jid to continue or maybe you starting at an early age, fitness is very important.
Yeah.
I mean, you have to have a discipline, proper diet, workouts, sleeping routines and everything. So how's been that for you? I mean, was it too difficult या फिर how do you push yourself कि नहीं मुझे अगर इतना running करना है तो करना है या diet में यही खाना है और what all that goes?
I think जब आप शुरू करते हो तो clearly because we are young, तो इतना आपको दिखता नहीं है कि the workout that you're putting in.
Yeah.
लेकिन as you age, जो initial stages में आपने जो workout किया ना, that is what will keep you, at that level, which I've realized because I've played late into my 30s as well.
Yes.
So the amount of fitness I did in my 20s, and that has helped me into my 30s. And even the way you work out when you're young and when you're aging, as you understand, you're aware more about your body, कि आपके बॉडी को अभी क्या है, बिकॉज एथलीट्स वेयर एंड टेयर भी होती है, ऐसे नहीं कि थ्रू आउट
there are phases.
sometimes you have injuries, you're recovering from injury, you do rehabs and then you come back into an active sport. तो वो फेज कैसे हैंडल करना है, yes everything is an education, लेकिन at that point of time technology इतना नहीं था, so it was more about our own awareness, trial and error के साथ कभी कभार कुछ चीजें नहीं work out होती है,
and you see कि एक हफ्ते बाद what's the result,
हाँ नहीं work out हुआ, then you move on to the other. अब technology आने के बाद you're far more you know what to do, when to do.
She's so smart. She already knows my next question because the next question is about the piece of tech that you both are wearing.
Yeah.
Apple Watch Series 9. Yours is the smaller size. Yours is the big one. I'm wearing the Watch Ultra. And I mean, I think this is a game changer, right?
Yeah.
Smart devices, a part of our own bodies. These things, they know ourselves inside out. Our sleep, our heart rate, our recovery, all the metrics going in. How has been the experience of you using the Apple Watch? Because जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था ना, इट वाज अ मैजिकल, आई लॉस्ट वेट. तो आई यूज्ड टू वॉक 20 किलोमीटर्स एवरी डे. तो मुझे वो दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, आई कैन सी द ट्रेल्स की रात को ये हुआ है, सुबह ये हुआ है, अभी ऐसा हो गया ये. आई मीन फॉर यू एज अ प्रोफेशनल एथलीट, आई थिंक दीज आर द डिवाइसेस जो एकदम एक अलग टाइप का आपको इनसाइट इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देते हैं.
I mean, it just kind of the most important thing is the hours you're spending, right? Like she was telling earlier, you're doing okay. आप gym जा रहे हो कि आपने 1 घंटा बिताया, 1.5 घंटा बिताया. You don't know how much of calories you're burning. What exactly are you doing? Whether it is worth it or not. Like now, if you've seen from the time technology is involved, not just in cricket, anybody's life. The time that you spend gym is a lot lesser. You're not whiling away and wasting time because there is rest period, cooling off period. वो बताता है like 30 seconds done, get on to your next set and things like that. All year बहुत बातें होती थी.
Earlier तो I remember me and Jim as well कि एक set लगाया फिर बैठा फिर दूसरा. तो वो मतलब I mean maybe the effect जो मिलना चाहिए वो नहीं मिल पा रहा था because we don't have the data.
Yeah, like now you know you need to be on time, right? Crunch, get it done quicker. And the amount you're spending, whether it is actually affecting that much in your body or not. So all of these things kind of makes it a lot more easier because then you'll be like, okay, looking at what you've done, like even now with the SNCs and people around training, they're like, okay, आप करो gym, आप घर पे करना है, कहीं पे भी करो. Just send in the data what you've done from the watch to us, so we'll know what exactly you've done.
Yes.
तो चीटिंग नहीं कर सकते.
स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दो कि कितना रिंग्स पूरा हुआ है.
चीटिंग नहीं कर सकते बस.
हाउ अबाउट यू मिताली? आई मीन बिकॉज़ मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ पीस ऑफ टेक जो आपने एक बार पहन लिया, लेट्स से द बैटरी लास्ट फॉर 2 days 3 days, you know, whatever. Even if you have to take it out to charge, you would want to wear it back as soon as possible. कि जैसे चार्ज हुआ तुरंत पहन लो.
Finding the most jobless time of yours to put it for charge, right?
Yeah.
Like अभी मेरा अगले half an hour कुछ नहीं है तो मैं चार्ज कर देती हूँ.
That's it. Because
but I want to know what she does.
Yeah, because you would not want to go without the watch anywhere now because everything should be tracked, right?
Yeah. See, for me, I think it's more important about my recovery. So I don't have the habit of wearing and sleeping.
Okay.
Wearing the watch and sleeping.
Okay.
But from the time when I want to track my sleep, what's the quality of my sleep? Because there are days when you wake up groggy.
Even if you have slept for 8 hours, you don't get that rest.
Yeah. So now with the watch, I'm able to understand, did I have a good sleep, deep sleep?
Yeah.
Or is it just like, I was just semi-conscious? You get that feedback through the watch. So now I've made it a habit to wear it, if not for the left, to the right side, to the right hand, and sleep. So every day when I wake up, I religiously see whether my sleep was good enough.
Have you tried this app? Because मैं बहुत use करता हूँ इसको. Sometimes, when I want to be like Nirvana, Shanti, breathe app.
Yeah.
Have you tried it?
Yeah, I have that because there are times when before a big day.
Yeah.
Or even like if you're preparing for something like because I do commentary now, there's this jittery feeling when you go live.
Yes.
So then what do you do?
And वो हमेशा होता है. No matter how many matches you have done, I mean there's something.
Yes. So then I take the time out 2 minutes or 5 minutes of just do breathing. So it calms you. I think that is also one thing that I do. I don't do every day, but there are times when I pick a moment to sit and just calm myself. Yeah.
I mean, this reminds me of the 3 Idiots, all is well. Breathe app वाला जो है.
Breathe, yeah.
I am very hyperactive, so for me that is very important. She is very calm. I mean, this jitters and all. I think is lying.
You be the judge.
There is no jitters and all. She's lying. For me, it's more about hyperactive, like being like I'm so socially active with people, right? I'm like talking. मैं commentary पे भी बात कर रही होती हूँ, खेलने time भी बात कर रही होती हूँ. If I'm sitting also, I'll be talking. Outside in that lounge area, there's no quiet time. I'll be like going on and on. And once I come back to the room, it takes me forever to unwind and go to bed. So that is where I think
watch. I think a small feedback for the Apple team watching. That for the next version, especially for the watch that Vida is going to wear, just give one more metric that how many calories you have burnt while talking.
Yeah. I think that is most important. I think there'll be a lot. That's entire.
अगर उससे burn कर सकते calorie, तो I'll also start talking.
just one question that I have. Like now we have just one device, like one-stop shop for everything: your workout, your sleep, your breathe application, your cycle, like everything in one piece. And this is fairly a new technology. Like last few years, we have seen growth of smartwatches and athletes like you using it. इससे पहले, if you were to recall कि 10 साल पहले क्या होता था? I mean, would you have different kind of like devices for different? मतलब not as simple as this, right? अगर हम 10-15 साल पहले की बात करते हैं, how the health tracking used to be?
उस टाइम तो कोई डिवाइस नहीं होता था, जो कोच बोलते थे, जो ट्रेनर बोलते थे, वही डिवाइस
एक ही डिवाइस होता, स्टॉप वॉच.
Oh,
Start,
yeah,
stop.
yeah. No, even this has stopwatch as well.
Yeah,
so,
it does.
And you can trigger it by just saying
And
Siri.
like 10-15 years back, I think the whole aspect of it, if Mithali Raj is spending 2 hours in the gym, you have to spend 2 hours in the gym. So she was the device.
Now you can ask for the insights in the health app कि 2 घंटे जिम में लगाया तो निकाला क्या उसका?
निकाला क्या था 2
Yes,
घंटे,
yes,
वो
yes,
बताओ.
yes. Any one feature that you want to highlight? Because see, this entire episode, since I talk about technology, and the idea while I was talking to you was just to know your experience कि because see, I use it for different purposes. आप एक professional athlete की तरह इस watch को use करते हैं. If you have to pick just one feature that has been game changer, इस watch के मतलब like you have been playing actively and मतलब इससे क्या बदल गया है? Just one feature if I ask for the watch.
I would say I will pick 2.
Okay.
Since I'm not an active player, एक तो ये है कि wellness पे,
Okay.
like it does ask how your day was.
Yeah.
That is something at least for me is important. The day or the moment. There are times when you have a bad day. Why you had a bad day? It at least asks you.
Yeah.
So when you go back a week and you go through that log, you know this is the bad day for what you had. And second is walking.
Walking.
Because now we sit a lot in commentary, their time. Then it gives you an alert time, at least stand up for a minute.
Stand up, yeah. Move.
You can do training for about 2 hours, 3 hours, but if you're going to sit the entire day, then uska kya natija hoga? So there constantly you make an effort
the alert
to keep
for the
walking.
move is really,
so
really
I think
good.
that these two has really helped me.
Stand.
Yeah.
I mean, I like the wellness aspect, what she mentioned, right? Like, it pops out and asks you how it reflects. I keep telling my partner, because of you, I'm irritated, because it's all blamed towards that person. But, like, for me, of course, it is a segregation of different kind of workouts that you do, that you can actually specify whether you're doing outdoor running or indoor running, whether you're doing a cycling session, because all three takes a different load, right?
Yeah.
If you're just, normally, if you're just doing and start and stop with calories, like, with not being so specific earlier, you would just randomly do. Now
Yes.
you're specifically doing what kind of a program that you have, whether it is strength training, whether it's functional training.
Your heart rate in a certain range,
Yeah,
there's that,
there is
everything, yeah.
an idea around that particular workout. So
Yeah.
it kind of gives me that exact reading that I want, so that I know what I've done, the load whether I'm able to take, how I'm feeling, especially post after that. So there is an easier way to see and figure out whether this is the right way that I'm doing or not, whether the right way that my body is able to take or not. So that segregation of giving me different options, right? It even has an option saying cricket. Like
Yes.
you put that,
Cricket,
and
yeah.
if you are batting or if you're
If you
fielding
analyze
and
your
things.
swing, your running, or like all the body
Yeah, I mean,
movements.
जब हम खेल रहे थे तो ये होता है how effective in my batting would have been.
I actually usually use
वो
it
कितने मीटर
during
का
my-
शॉट लगा,
हाँ,
कितना
Yeah, like I use it during my practice especially. Like of course, batting के time पे थोड़ा डर लगता है टूट ना जाए. But fielding and if you're warming
gloves
up,
would cover it, no? But gloves tight होंगे इसके
नहीं
ऊपर से
वो
पहनना
फिर
and,
uncomfortable होता है. So
yeah.
you have to either put it here on the right hand. लगता है तो फिर टूटने का डर. That is another thing. I've never tried it.
No, but it has quite strong screen.
Yeah,
Trust me.
the
I've
sapphire
dropped it. Yeah,
crystal,
sapphire
right?
crystal.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Maybe next time I'll probably wear it and bat and then pose or something. Ball की लगी तो पता चलेगा क्या लगेगा. But yeah, that segregation and that specification I think is very important.
I'll tell you a small story that I have to share. So I gained a lot last few years, and I was 105 kilos around that lockdown 2020.
Wow.
And in 4 months, I lost 30 kilos. So from
How?
105, I walked 20 kilometers every day, like no matter what.
Yeah.
So 4 months straight, and the motivation came from the watch. बिकॉज जब मैं शाम को जाके देखता था
रिंग्स
कि कैलोरीज बर्न, रिंग्स के वो 5 बार चक्कर घूमते थे, नॉट जस्ट वंस गाइस, आई एम टेलिंग यू, लाइक you know sometimes it's too hard to just complete the circle by the end of the day, but my like exercise circle was like going 5 times in a row or something. And guys see, अगर आप पूरी शिद्दत के साथ ये इंटरेक्शन अभी तक सुन रहे थे और अभी भी अगर आप छत पे क्रिकेट खेलते हो जहाँ पे पीछे बॉल जाती है तो कोई रन नहीं मिलते हैं, you know, there you have it straight from Mithali and Veda, that how exactly just one small decision can impact your entire life. हो सकता है आपको अखबार में कोई कटिंग दिख जाए, हो सकता है आप टीवी में कभी किसी को देख लो. अभी T20 वर्ल्ड कप इज कमिंग, आई एम गोइंग फॉर इंडिया पार्क बाय द वे, 9th of June, I've got the tickets. Yeah. So
wow, fancy.
so that's how you know it is. And tech की जहाँ तक बात आती है, I think you know this kind of a device just going around your wrist, जिसको आपके बारे में आपसे ज़्यादा पता है, and वो सारे insights अपने फोन. I love these watches so much that एक मैंने पहनी है, एक मेरे फोन के पीछे भी है.
that is a game changer.
so that's you know how this small device can actually transform your journey, be it like maybe an athlete, या maybe just like a hobbyist, casually if you are in a gym like this, 2 घंटे आप आते हो, 1 घंटे आप आते हो, तो I mean just to keep track of what's going inside your body, that's how tech works. Thanks Mithali.
Thank you so much.
Thanks Mithali मैम. अभी तो खत्म कर रहे हैं.
Mithali Raj.
Thanks मैम. So guys, there you have it. Well, आप सभी ने खुद मिथाली राज and वेदा कृष्णमूर्ति से सुन लिया है that how they are using the power of a smartwatch, the Apple Watch that they were wearing to understand their bodies better, और कैसे ये जो watches हैं ये उनको help कर रही हैं to even climb up the ladder और अपने potential को ताकि वो अच्छे से unleash कर पाएं. Well, I have been wearing this Apple Watch and you know it's kind of a fascination कि यार कैसे इतनी सी चीज जो आपने अपनी कलाई पे पहनी है, आपकी हार्ट रेट से लेके आपकी ब्लड ऑक्सीजन, आपकी स्लीप से लेके एवरीथिंग, इट कीप्स ट्रैक ऑफ हाउ मेनी कैलोरीज दिस इज दिस, एंड प्लस इफ यू वांट टू बी एट पीस तो ब्रीद ऐप से आराम से you can achieve that feeling of nirvana. So basically it's on us now that we utilize the potential of smart watches and they kind of act as a nice assistant on our side जब आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं, जब आप जिम में हैं, someone who keeps track of your wellness. That's what this watch is. I hope कि आपको एपिसोड पसंद आया होगा. If you have any questions, any feedback, any suggestions, you know the drill. It's very easy. It's just a simple email that you have to write towards tg@ndtv.com. मैं और मेरी पूरी टीम आपके इन emails का वेट करने वाली है so that I can even provide you with और ज़्यादा टेक वाले भरपूर episodes in times to come. मतलब हर हफ्ते कुछ ना कुछ तो नया एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. For now, that's all for this week. See you all next time. Have a good day.